Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and I want to welcome you on my Living in Spain YouTube channel. Here you'll find tips and tricks about moving to Spain, tips about places to visit and obviously property reviews. My pick for you for today is a luxury 3 million worth new built villa in Altea Hills with astonishing sea views. Enjoy! A magnificent modern villa in the prestigious area of Altea Hills, surrounded by evergreen Mediterranean nature with fantastically beautiful views of the sea. Altea is one of the most picturesque cities on the Costa Blanca. This area is famous for its exceptionally beautiful natural landscapes and well-groomed beaches with crystal clear water. Altea is located between two international airports of Alicante and Valencia, just 15 minutes from the popular tourist center of Calpe and from the famous beaches of Benidorm. The front exterior of the villa features two levels of terraces with huge panoramic windows and glass railing. All rooms, including bathrooms, open onto the terrace and are oriented towards the sea. Thanks to these two factors, the living space is perceived as exceptionally airy and luminous. The house is literally flooded with natural daylight. Tall white floor-to-ceiling doors and light polished marble tile floor finish enhance the effect of open space, creating additional volumes. The house has 5 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and access to the terrace. The master suite is located on the main floor. It has a dressing room and access to the pool. Additional amenities include alarm, air conditioning, underfloor heating throughout the house, ready-to-connect installation of smart home. The outdoor area includes a well-kept garden and summer bar with barbecue, a large overflow pool with surrounded chill-out area, as well as a closed garage for 2 cars and parking for several cars. If desired, here you can arrange additional recreation areas or plant fruit trees. In addition to the main living area, there is a basement floor, which can include a sauna and a gym, as well as other additional rooms. This villa embodies the true quality of life and the impeccable comfort. Living in the highly sought-after area of Altea Hills, you are guaranteed 24/7 security, privacy and reliability of service, as well as unrivaled sea views and a full sunny day regardless of the time of year. Thanks for being with me. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. You'll find my contact details in the description, so be sure to subscribe and drop me a message if you are interested in buying property in Spain.